In this video, I'll be showing you how to connect an Ethernet cable to your Samsung Galaxy A57. Now this is fairly simple. All you need to do is ensure that you have an adapter similar to this that does support an Ethernet connection. Then you're going to insert the Ethernet cable into your adapter like so. And then once it's been connected, you're going to insert the adapter into your A57. Once they've been successfully connected, what you're going to do is simply open up the Settings app and select Connections. Under Connections, you're going to tap on More Connection Settings, select Ethernet, and simply ensure that it's currently turned on. This means that your phone will automatically switch off the Wi-Fi and ensure that the connection for accessing the internet will be set to Ethernet. If you want to customize your Ethernet settings, you can tap on Configure Ethernet Device, and you can select your Ethernet device, connection type, and even set up a proxy. Once you've finished configuring it to your liking, you can tap on Save just to apply the changes. Now you'll notice if you ever try to search for something online, you should be using your brand new Ethernet connection. Thanks for watching. If you have questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you in the next video.